Top 5 TikTok Tips and Tricks, a step-by-step guide to going viral for beginners. Do you want your business to become viral on TikTok?
We've got you covered when it comes to the best TikTok tips and techniques. Here are our top 5 tips for making your next video a viral sensation. 1. Take advantage of current trends. The most popular TikTok advice we can give is to make sure you're taking advantage of whatever is currently hot. Use popular sounds, memes, challenges, and hashtags to your advantage. Here's where you can learn more about the hashtags your company should be employing. Using TikTok's most popular trends as the basis for creative content creation can truly help your brand stand out. 2. Increase the authority of your account. This may sound ambiguous when it comes to actionable TikTok tips and techniques, but it's actually fairly simple. A video is much more likely to go viral if it originates from a reputable, high-quality account. Consistent, regular uploading throughout time, proving the trustworthiness of your brand account on the site. Limit the amount of times you remove videos, as this signals to the algorithm that you have a proclivity for releasing low-quality content. Another approach to achieve this is to follow one of our platform's most critical guidelines for brands. Do not repurpose content. 3. Follow up on your content as soon as possible. If your video starts to get popular, it's critical that you follow up and quickly. Repost, reply, and generate new videos as soon as possible. On TikTok, engagement speed and variety are crucial, so waves of responses will help a video go viral. To maximize your reach and maintain your authority, create new video material as soon as possible. 4. Maintain a brief and snappy video length. In order to maximize watch time and completion rates, your videos should be no longer than 10 to 15 seconds in length. These stats are extremely important on TikTok, since they demonstrate the algorithm that your video is worthy of being shared with a larger audience. 5. Cross-promotion is a great way to increase engagement. Use the fact that your company already has a following on another platform to your advantage. Send traffic back to your TikTok account by sharing your new videos on those other sites. If you don't already have a sizable following, you can still attain this with the help of influencers, who are known to be extremely effective at propelling your material to viral heights. A few effective reshares soon after you publish will speed up the rate of engagement while also increasing the diversity of engagement your content receives. Get started now. There you have it, these TikTok tips and tactics will ensure that your next video is a success. But keep in mind that all the TikTok tips and tricks in the world will not be able to replace original and creative material. Lead with your personality, think outside the box, and then use these strategies to ensure your content has the highest possibility of reaching massive audiences.